Hey Renee, have you ever tried OpenSuse? Yes Fernand, I have. It's one of my favorite Linux distributions. Are you using Leap or Tumbleweed? I just installed Leap. I heard Tumbleweed is a rolling release. What's the main difference between them? Leap is more stable with regular point releases, making it ideal for servers and production environments. Tumbleweed, on the other hand, gets continuous updates, so you always have the latest software. I just finished installing OpenSuse Leap. What should I do next? First, you should update your system using YaST or zypper. Then, install any additional software you need. I usually start with setting up my development environment. Speaking of software, is there a particular way to manage packages on OpenSuse? Yes Fernand, you can use YaST, which is a graphical tool, or zypper, which is the command line tool. Both are powerful and make it easy to manage software. I'm more comfortable with the command line. How do I use zypper? It's pretty straightforward. For example, to update your system, you can use sudo zypper update. To install new packages, you can use sudo zypper install _package_name greater than. I also want to customize my desktop. Any tips? Sure, OpenSuse supports multiple desktop environments like KDE Plasma, GNOME, XFCE, and more. You can install them using YaST or zypper and switch between them as you like. What about security? How do I make sure my system is secure? OpenSuse has robust security features. You can configure the firewall using YaST. Also, AppArmor is pre-installed and can be configured to provide application security. That's good to know. By the way, I've heard that OpenSuse is also good for multimedia. Is that true? Exactly. You can easily install multimedia codecs and tools for video editing, audio production, and more. Applications like BenLive and Audacity work really well on OpenSuse. Perfect. And if I run into any issues, where can I get help? The OpenSuse community is very active. You can check out the forums, mailing lists, and IRC channels. There's also a lot of documentation available online. If you encounter bugs, you can report them to help improve the distribution. Looks like I have a lot to explore. Thanks for the tips. No problem. Enjoy using OpenSuse.